Instead of Super Saturday, it's Turn Back Tuesday in Leicester. Restricted travel, schools shut to most children, reopened shops will be forced to close. A city of 300,000 people goes into lockdown as the rest of the country is about to enjoy new freedoms.
What can we do? We've got to, if you got to save yourself, you've got to save yourselves in it.
I can't come and see my family and I don't know when it'll lift, and I can't, like, it's a little bit difficult.
We are not seeing any increase at all.
It follows a spike in cases. Here, on the phone to Boris Johnson, the city's mayor says they didn't spot it quickly enough.
Actually, it would be enormously helpful to have, amongst the data that is collected as part of the testing process, the ethnicity of the people who are tested and where it's available, or where it's appropriate, their place of work.
There was limited activity in Leicester's small garment factories. Some have blamed alleged cramped conditions in the city's textile industry for contributing to the spread of the virus. This denied by one local industry representative.
We can't blame manufacturers, to be honest, because all the manufacturers we closed down when lockdown came in March, end of March and April. Once government announced that we can start working if you feel safe and easy to work, then manufacturers reopened, and if they had staff of 50, they only called 20 or 25 people.
All this comes after Leicester City Council reported 944 positive tests in the last 2 weeks. That's about 1 in 16 of the total UK cases during that period. The city's 7-day infection rate was 3 times higher than the next highest city. And so this lockdown zone has been created around Leicester's perimeter, causing frustration, particularly to those on the border villages in places like Thurmaston. Here, printer James West had only just reopened for business. I'm just looking at that bus down there. That's just about to cross the line.
Yeah, it's pretty close, isn't it? It's crazy to think that anyone past that line is out of this worry in a time where we've got to be in lockdown, whereas on this side, we're completely locked down again.
And what's the impact on your business?
It's just complete unknown again.
Yeah.
I only opened my shop last week and I saw the encouragement of customers walking in again and coming to see me, encouraging kind of customers and having a conversation. I've had to close again. It's going to seem like I'm completely shut. Even though I am working behind closed doors, it will look like I'm completely closed.
As I walk under this bridge, I'm crossing the border between 2 very similar villages, but one that's about to go into lockdown and another that's about to see its pubs and shops reopen. And the landlady back there is furious because she says her punters, who are about to enjoy the big reopening on Saturday, will now probably just nip down the road for a pint in the neighbouring village. But they shouldn't. Under lockdown rules, only essential travel is allowed. This pocket of the UK is being asked to make sacrifices for their own safety and the greater good. Jason Farrell, Sky News, Leicester.